Dias has been selected as the King Momo for this year. So he's from Raia. We had a committee who has actually selected him as a King Momo.
कितले लिस्ट असले तर कितले
6 candidates असले. Finally एकटो select झाला.
नाव कितें सर म्हटलें?
Emeliano Dias.
Emeliano Dias
from Raia.
So what was the criteria for selection?
Emeliano Dias
From
Raia.
What is his background?
He is actually into, I think, acting, music.
Okay.
You can take a bite.
Where is he?
So how many names were there?
6 of them.
6.
So what was the criteria like selection?
Criteria normally the personality, the way he speaks, and then his background as in the activities of music, dance, and all that. So all that we look his hobbies and how he delivers the edit.
What's the audition done? Auditions were also.
Auditions were done.
Yeah. Thank you.
Easy.
King Momo, कितें सांगपाक?
I'm very happy and I'm very delighted. Also,
mobile पर टिकट मरे.
Thank the committee, the Panjim, and I would like definitely to keep this tradition going forward. You know, this tradition started long back by ancestors, and I'm really delighted. And I always wanted to come. So this year I made up my mind, and I said, let's give a chance to participate. You know, and I got a chance. Thank God for the Almighty to making this great day happen. The 22nd of February 2022.
What you performed for audition?
Come on, man, some dialogues from I acted in this famous movie NEWSINGOA and with a good director, and I learned a lot of things from the director. The movie was really hit, and nobody copied the style of movie. Though we made in Margao 125 shows and all like goans like small things they do, then they want more money, but everything. And thanks many people who helped me to come at this place.
So you're a full-time actor?
No, I acted in 2-3 movies, and this movie I acted, and Palomi was very happy to see me. I was in a different role, and Palomi saw that I got a movie movement and action direction. But I worked also in top level. I worked for Royal Goan Beach Club, and director of marketing. Mark Edward was very good. I learned a lot of things like that. He told what it says. It's not like just reading, it's like action and all.
What message will be there? Actor?
No. Actually, some secrets I don't like to tell you. And because of that, I did act. It's too hard. Sometimes it's too practice. Because I learned in the Count of Fermina Counters movie also acted.
Okay.
And sometimes, NEWSINGOA movie did very good. So if that movie becomes hit like that, not 1-2 shows.
Sir, what message will be there for this time? What message?
Message to be safe, enjoy, be happy, rock and roll, and keep safe distance the COVID norms. I would be very happy, especially my people from Goa, and they know me a lot, and if they see me, they'll come up. They have got high regards for me.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.